Welcome. If you want to connect fake AirPods to your Apple Watch Series 3, at first you have to go for the settings. Next go for the Bluetooth. And remember to turn on Bluetooth when the switcher is on the green color. It means that the Bluetooth feature is activated. Then we have to open charging case of our AirPods, of our fake AirPods. And after a few moments we'll get this device right here on the list. If it is not going to happen, all you have to do is just to rotate the case and then click and hold this button until this indicator blinks a few times on the white color. It means that they are tuned into the pairing mode. As you can see, mine just pops here automatically, so I don't have to make it. If you want to connect, just simply tap on it, and as you can see, right now they are connected. So when we put the earpod to the ear, we can hear this characteristical sound, and it means that they are connected. So that's how you can connect fake AirPods to your Apple Watch Series 3. Thank you guys for watching. Leave thumbs ups, comments, and subscribe to our channel. See ya!